Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today, new topic we are going to see, that is special series. There are some series whose sum can be expressed by explicit formula. Such series are called special series. Clear formula they are given. For the natural number starting from 1. Okay. The sum of first n natural number, n terms of natural number. That is 1 plus 2 plus and so on n. Okay. Starting from 1. Natural number starts from 1. So, first n natural numbers. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the formula you are going to use for finding the sum of n natural numbers. Okay. Then sum of first n odd natural numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 2n minus 1. Here a is equal to 1, the d is equal to t2 by t1, that is t2 minus t1, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. L last term is 2n minus 1. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. You can use this formula because the last term we have here. Okay. Now n by 2 into a plus L. N by 2 into a is 1 plus 2n minus 1 L. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, 2a. N by 2 into 2n can cancel 2, n into n square. So finding the odd natural numbers starting from 1. First natural numbers, first n odd natural numbers. Okay. For that the formula is Sn is equal to n square. Sum of squares of n natural numbers, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n terms is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. These are the formulas you are going to use in this exercise. Okay. The formulas used in solving summation problems with finite terms, that is sigma. We are saying this as sigma, summation. This is summation, sum of all the terms. So summation, the symbol we call is summation. K is equal to 1 to n, k. 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus n terms. That is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then summation of k is equal to 1 to n to k minus 1. That is odd numbers. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Then summation of k is equal to 1 to n k square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then sigma k cube 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. The example 2.54. Find the value of 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus 50. You have to find the sum of 50 terms, 50 natural numbers from first 50 natural numbers. Okay. So for this 1 plus 2 plus 50. The formula is summation of k is equal to 1 to n plus 1 plus 2 plus so on n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here last number is the n. Okay. Last number no counting. Number of terms is 50. Sorry. Number of terms here is 50. So we are taking 50 as n. So n for 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Then you can cancel to 50 and 2. 25 into 51. So 25 into 51 is equal to 1275. So if we add these all 50 numbers, the answer is 1275. Okay. Then the next question. Second question is 16 plus 17 plus and so on plus 75. Here from 16 to 75 we need the sum. Okay, to find the sum. We know only from 1 only we have the formula. First n terms only we have the formula 1 to n terms. But they asked from 16 only they are asked the sum. So 16 plus 17 plus and so on plus 75 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus 75. 1 ilirundhu 75 vara we are finding the sum and subtracting 1 to 15. 15 we don't want, isn't it? 1 to 15 we don't want. So 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus 75 minus 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus 15. Here the number of terms you know 75 terms. So 75 n into n plus 1 by 2 here. So 75 into 75 plus 1 by 2. Then here minus, here number of terms is 15. So 15 into 50 plus 1 by 2. Now 75 into 76 by 2 minus 15 into 16 by 2. Then you are cancelling 75 and 2 and 76. Okay. Then that is 38. Then next 2 and 16 here. Then 8. You have to multiply 75 into 38 minus 15 into 8. 75 into 38 minus 15 into 8. 2850 minus 120. So 2730. Okay. Now the sum of the numbers from 16 to 75 is equal to 2730. Then we will see the example 2.55. Find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on to 40 terms. Here they are given the number of terms. So n is equal to 40. Okay. We have the formula for odd number of terms starting from first natural numbers. In the first natural numbers, odd number of terms is equal to n square is the formula. So summation of k is equal to 1 to n. 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. Okay. So n 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on 40 terms means 40 square. That is 1600. So the answer for 1 plus 3 plus and so on plus 40 terms is equal to 1600. Second sum. The second sum is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 80. Here they didn't say the number of terms. They given the last term. And also it starts from 2, 4, 6, then 80. So you have to take 2 outside. If you take 2 outside, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 40. Now the natural number starts from 1 and 40 terms here, isn't it? So n is 40. So 1 into 1 plus 2 plus so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So n is equal to 40. 2 into 40 into 40 plus 1 by 2. Can cancel 40 and 2. This will come 20. 2 into 20 into 41. That is 1640. So the answer is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 80 is equal to 1640. Okay. Then the third sum. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 55. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus and so on plus 2n minus 1 is equal to n square. We know the formula. Here they have said 1 to 55. We don't know the number of terms. So we have to use the n equal to L minus a by d plus 1 formula to find the number of terms. So here L is 55. Then a is 1. Then the difference T2 minus T1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Then you substitute here. 55 minus 1. 55 minus 1 by D2 plus 1. That is 54 by 2 plus 1. You can cancel 2 and 54, that is 27 plus 1 is 28. Now the number of terms n is equal to 28. So 1 plus 3 plus and so on 55 is equal to 28 square. That is 28 into 28. 784. That is 1 plus 3 plus and so on plus 55. The sum of the terms, odd number of terms, is 784. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we will see the exercise 2.9. Find the sum of the series. In this first subdivision, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus and so on plus 225. See here, how is the series now? It is in squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square plus and so on. This is 15 square, isn't it? So we can write like that. Then the square of the first n natural numbers. Formula is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, this is the formula for finding the squares of first n natural numbers. Okay, number of terms here is 15. How many terms here? 15 terms. So n is equal to 15. Then you substitute instead of n as 15. 15 into 15 plus 1 into 2 into 15 plus 1 divided by 6. Okay. Now we can multiply 15 into 16 into 2 into 15, 30. 30 plus 1, 31 by 6. We can cancel 6 by 15. 3 tables. Both are in 3 tables. So 2 times, here 5 times. Again 2 and 16. 8 2s are 16. So 1 times, here 8 times. Okay. Now 5 into 8. 40 into 31 is 1240. After multiplying this, the answer is 1240. Now the answer for adding these 1 to 15 squares is equal to 1240. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus 15 square is equal to 1240. Okay. Now the fifth problem. That is 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus and so on plus 21 square. Here we have the formula as first n natural numbers only. Here they are given from 6 square to 21 square. So you have to make that as first n natural numbers. How to make? First you have to, the formula for this is 1 square plus 2 square plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 is the formula for this squares of n natural numbers. Now we can write in natural numbers. 1 to 21 we are going to see. In that we don't want 1 to 5 we don't want. So we are subtracting 1 to 5. Okay. First we are finding 1 to 21 square. In that, how much? 1 to 5 we don't want. We need only 6 square to 21 square. So we are subtracting up to 1 to 5 square. So 21 into 21 plus 1. So n, here n is equal to 21, isn't it? Here n is equal to 5. So 21 into 21 plus 1 into 2 into 21 plus 1 by 6 minus 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 6. Now here 21 into 22 into 21 2s are 42 plus 1 43, isn't it, by 6. So next 5 into 6 into 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 6. 5 into 6 into 11 by 6. Now we can cancel 6 and 21. Both are in 3 table, isn't it? So 2 times 3 2s are 6. Here 7 times. Again here's 22 and 2 can cancel. So 2 ones are 2, then 22, 11s are 22. Okay, 2 11s are 22. Then 11 into 43. Here 6 gets cancelled. So 5 into 11 is 55. So here 3311 after multiplying this minus 55. Then the answer is 3256. So the sum of 6 square to 21 square is 3256. Then the sixth sum is 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus and so on plus 20 cube. Okay. Here also from 10 to 20 only we need. But we have the formula as first n natural numbers. The cube of first n natural numbers. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay. We have to change this to natural numbers. Then only you can use the formula. Okay. Now 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus and so on plus 20 cube is equal to, first you have to take 1 to 20 cube minus 1 to 9 we don't want. So you are subtracting 1 to 9. Okay. Then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus 20 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus and so on plus 9 cube. This we don't want. So okay, here n is equal to 20, here n is equal to 9. So 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Then 20 into 21 by 2. So 2 and 20 gets cancelled, it will come as 10 minus 9 into 10 by 2 the whole square. So 2 and 10 gets cancelled, this is 5. Okay, now in 5 are 45 square. Here 10 into 21 equal to 210 the whole square. So 210 square. So 210 square is 44100. Okay. 21 square is equal 21 square is equal to 441. Here one 0 is here, so 2 zeros here to add. So 44,100 minus 2025. 45 square is 2025. You subtract these two. Then the answer is 42,075. Then the answer is 10 cube to 20 cube is equal to 42,075. The sum of 10 cube to 20 cube is equal to 42,075. Thank you. Have a nice day.